Timmy was a 10-year-old boy who had just gotten his very first smartphone for his birthday. He couldn't believe he didn't need to ask his parents for permission to use it, like he did with their old flip phones. With his new smartphone, Timmy could do anything and everything. He could play games, watch videos, check his email, and even video chat with his friends. One day, while exploring the woods near his home, Timmy stumbled upon a mysterious object buried in the ground. It was an old-fashioned flip phone. Timmy couldn't believe it. He picked it up and took it back to his house to show his parents. They explained to him that they used to have phones just like it when they were kids. Timmy was amazed. How did people manage without smartphones? The next day, Timmy decided to put his old flip phone to the test. He went to the park and tried making a call with it, but, to his surprise, someone picked up. It was his grandfather, who lived in another state. Timmy couldn't believe he could talk to his grandfather from so far away. As the days passed, Timmy continued to use his old flip phone to make calls and send messages to his friends and family. He even used it to help him with his homework by looking up information online. But he soon realized that there were some things you couldn't do with a flip phone, like play games or watch videos. One day, Timmy decided to take his smartphone on a camping trip with his family. He was excited to show off all the cool things he could do with it. But when they arrived at the campsite, Timmy realized that there was no signal. He tried to use his phone to play games or watch videos, but nothing worked. He was so disappointed. Later that night, while sitting around the campfire, Timmy's dad pulled out an old flip phone from his backpack. "Hey, Timmy, do you want to say something really cool?" he asked. Timmy nodded eagerly. His dad showed him how he could use the flip phone to call his mom and tell her where they were. And then he showed Timmy how he could use it to play games like tic-tac-toe. Timmy was amazed at all the things his dad could do with his old flip phone. He realized that sometimes it's nice to have something simple and easy to use. And even though smartphones are really helpful, there's still a place for old-fashioned phones in our lives. From then on, Timmy made sure to always keep both his smartphone and his flip phone handy. He learned that it's okay to have different tools for different situations, and that sometimes the simplest things can be the most fun. What was Timmy's birthday gift that he couldn't believe he didn't need to ask his parents for permission to use? His new smartphone. What did Timmy find in the woods near his home that surprised him? An old-fashioned flip phone. How did Timmy's grandfather communicate with him when he used the flip phone? He picked up when Timmy called him on the flip phone. What did Timmy realize was a limitation of using his old flip phone on a camping trip? There was no signal, so he couldn't play games or watch videos. What did Timmy's dad show him how to do with the old flip phone while they were sitting around the campfire? He showed Timmy how to use it to call his mom and tell her where they were, and also how to play games like tic-tac-toe.